In a world full of talk about AI or artificial intelligence, smart people who want to make money are paying attention to three special stocks. These aren't just any stocks, they are ones that are expected to do really well in 2024. Welcome back to Stock Whispers, your gateway to investment brilliance. Are you ready for a roller coaster ride through the world of finance, where fortunes can soar as high as a Bitcoin rocket or take a dive like a rock star after a wild night? Today, we're slicing through the buzz and bringing you the juicy details on AI and fintech, the sectors everyone's eyes are glued to. So, grab your popcorn because as we uncover three fintech gems ready to skyrocket, you're in for both a learning and laughing ride. Fintech is shaking things up, making the old way of banking look like a dinosaur. This isn't about slapping a new coat of paint on an old bank. It's about building a whole new financial playground with AI as the head architect. Think of it as your financial guardian angel, always there to give you a nudge in the right direction, whether you're saving up for that dream vacation or investing your hard-earned cash. It's changing the game, making everything from paying bills to investing in stocks as easy as sending a text message. And we're all here for it, watching as our phones turn into personal banks, investment advisors, and budget trackers all rolled into one. With AI leading the charge, the possibilities are endless, from smarter savings to investments that grow while you sleep. It's like having a financial wizard in your pocket, ready to conjure up the best deals and opportunities. And as we stand on the brink of this revolution, it's clear that fintech is not just a trend, it's the future. So let's take a closer look at the companies that are leading this charge and find out why they're worth watching. First on our list is Block Inc., your financial knight in shining armor. With Block, banking is no longer a chore, but a seamless part of daily life. Imagine sending money, investing, and even getting a loan, all with a few taps on your phone. And with big names like Cathie Wood throwing their support behind Block, you know it's not just another tech fad. Their growth is off the charts, with a user base that's loyal and growing by the day. Block is redefining banking for the digital age, turning every smartphone into a potential bank branch. And with a target price that screams growth, it's a beacon for investors looking for a piece of the fintech pie. But as with any investment, there's always a risk, so it pays to keep an eye on the road ahead. With Block's ambitious plans and a track record of shaking up the financial world, it's an exciting time to be an investor. Adding to this pool is Block's innovative spirit, constantly introducing features that simplify financial transactions. They've mastered the art of combining security with convenience, making users feel safe while they transact. This balance has won them acclaim in a world where digital threats loom large. Beyond the buzz, Block is a story of vision meeting execution. They're not just dreaming of the future, they're building it, brick by digital brick. Their approach to problem solving is creative yet pragmatic, appealing to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. The company thrives on feedback, using it as a compass for improvement and innovation. It's this open-mindedness that has fueled their ascent in the competitive fintech landscape. For those intrigued by the intersection of technology and finance, Block offers a front-row seat to history in the making. With each update, they edge closer to a world where financial empowerment is accessible to all. It's this promise of inclusion and progress that makes Block not just an investment in technology, but in a better, more connected future. So if you're looking for a stock that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in fintech, Block might just be the golden ticket. Moving on, let's talk about Pagaya Technologies. These guys are the matchmakers of the financial world, using AI to whisper sweet nothings to banks about who to lend to. It's like a dating app, but for your finances, making sure every match is a win-win. With Pagaya, it's not just about having a good credit score, it's about understanding your financial story and finding the perfect match. And after a slight stumble, they're back on their feet, ready to redefine lending. With forecasts that would make any investor's heart race and a stock price poised for a major comeback, Pagaya is a testament to the power of innovation. As they pave the way for a smarter, more inclusive financial system, Pagaya is not just a company to watch, it's a company to root for. With a potential for significant growth and a mission that goes beyond profits, it's a reminder that in the world of fintech, the best investments are those that change lives for the better. Pagaya's journey is one of resilience, showing how technology can transform obstacles into opportunities. Their platform, powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, demystifies the lending process, offering clarity and fairness to borrowers and lenders alike. This has opened doors for people traditionally overlooked by the financial system, providing them with a chance to participate more fully in the economy. The company's relentless focus on user experience has made it a favorite among younger demographics who appreciate the blend of technology and personal touch. Pagaya's ability to bounce back from challenges has not gone unnoticed, attracting a loyal following of investors and users who believe in their vision. Their commitment to ethical lending practices sets them apart in an industry often criticized for its lack of transparency. As Pagaya continues to grow, it's not just their technology that's getting attention, but their approach to building a more equitable financial landscape. Each step forward for Pagaya is a step toward a future where financial services are accessible, understandable, and fair for everyone. Their story is a beacon of hope, proving that with the right mix of technology and humanity, finance can be a force for good. In a world hungry for positive change, Pagaya stands out as a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets empathy. Lastly, we shine the spotlight on PayPal Holdings. This veteran of the digital payment space has seen its share of ups and downs, but with innovation at its core, PayPal is poised for a comeback. With a transaction volume that's the envy of the industry and a new captain at the helm, PayPal is navigating the waters of change with confidence. It's a story of resilience, of a company that's not afraid to reinvent itself to stay ahead of the curve. From embracing cryptocurrencies to expanding its global footprint, PayPal is not just keeping up, it's leading the charge. And with a stock price that's undervalued, it's like finding a rare gem in a sea of overpriced stocks. PayPal is a testament to the power of perseverance, a beacon for investors looking for a mix of stability and innovation. As it continues to push the boundaries of digital payments, PayPal is not just a company to invest in, it's a company to believe in. With a bright future ahead and a commitment to excellence, PayPal is a reminder that in the world of stocks, sometimes the best bets are those that have stood the test of time. As PayPal forges ahead, it remains a pivotal player in the digital finance revolution. Its platform serves as a bridge, connecting millions of users to a more accessible financial world. This digital juggernaut has not only adapted to market trends, but often predicted them, setting the pace for others to follow. The introduction of user-friendly payment solutions has made PayPal a household name, synonymous with security and reliability. It's this trust that fuels its continued growth, attracting users from all corners of the globe. Despite the competitive landscape, PayPal's innovative streak shows no signs of slowing down. They're constantly exploring new territories, from enhancing mobile payments to integrating with emerging technologies. This relentless pursuit of innovation ensures that PayPal remains relevant and ahead of the curve. It's the combination of a proven track record and a forward-looking approach that makes PayPal an intriguing prospect for any investor. The company's resilience in the face of adversity is not just inspiring, it's a lesson in the importance of adaptability and vision in the fast-paced world of fintech. With each new venture, PayPal reaffirms its status as a leader in digital payments, promising an exciting future for its customers and shareholders alike. And there you have it, a roller coaster ride through the fintech landscape with 3 stops that promise excitement and potential riches. Remember, in the stock market, information is king, but a little humor makes the throne a lot more comfortable. So stay informed, stay entertained, and most importantly, stay invested. Thanks for tuning into Stock Whispers. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert investing advice. Until next time, keep listening to those whispers and let them guide you to your next big win. See you soon.